Hey Nolafax family, gear up to explore some of the most exciting inventions and tools designed to upgrade your garage. From clever storage hacks to powerful gear, these must-have gadgets will transform your workspace into a more efficient and organized zone. Make engine work easier and more comfortable with the Sealey SKRT-01 Topside Engine Bay Creeper. This professional-grade tool is built to help you reach over high engine bays in pickups, SUVs, trucks, and tractors with less strain. Its adjustable height and angle let you position yourself just right for the task. The 60mm deep foam pad offers anti-fatigue comfort, even during long repair sessions. A strong steel frame with a powder-coated finish keeps it durable and resistant to rust. 4 swivel casters, including 2 lockable ones, allow for smooth movement and secure placement. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage and transport. With a load capacity of 150 kilograms, it's a must-have for serious mechanics and garage pros. Tired of dragging a heavy vacuum around the garage? The BISSELL Garage Pro Wet Dry Vacuum offers a smart wall-mounted solution that keeps your space clean without the hassle. It's equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor to tackle everything from dust to wet spills with ease. The 32-foot hose lets you reach across your workshop or clean inside your car without moving the unit. Its 4-gallon tank has a clear design and an LED full indicator, so you'll always know when to empty it. You get 7 handy attachments, covering everything from crevices to large surfaces. It even doubles as a blower for clearing debris or inflating gear. With its bagless design, cleanup is quick and simple. This all-in-one system makes garage cleaning fast, easy, and efficient. The Multiboard storage system is a powerful organization solution built for makers, DIYers, and workshop pros. It combines the best parts of pegboards, bins, and tool walls into one smart and flexible system. Its modular tiles lock together easily and include hex and circular holes for attaching all kinds of accessories. You can mount it on walls, set it up as a freestanding unit, or use a cleat system to fit any workspace. Despite being 3D printed, it's strong enough to hold up to 80 kilograms using T-bolts and peg holes. With over 3,300 printable parts, it can be customized to meet your exact storage needs. The design is open source, and a growing community contributes new features and improvements. Whether you're storing tools, cables, or crafting supplies, Multiboard keeps your space neat and efficient. The Griot's Garage Compact Sit-On Creeper 2 is a smart solution for anyone working on cars at home or in a shop. Its top seat is removable and turns into a mini creeper with 4 wheels, making it easy to reach low areas like rocker panels. The frame is made of strong steel and polyethylene, so it's both lightweight and built to last. Large 4-inch casters glide smoothly across garage floors, giving you freedom to move without getting up. Side trays can hold up to 6 bottles or cans, and there's a drawer for towels and pads. It even supports up to 136 kilograms, making it suitable for serious work. Optional foam cushions add extra comfort for long detailing sessions. Whether you're fixing, cleaning, or polishing, this creeper keeps everything within reach and you're back off the floor. Get a clear view inside tight spaces with the VEVOR articulating Borescope camera. Its ultra-slim 6.4mm lens with 180-degree two-way articulation lets you inspect engines, pipes, and machinery with ease. The 5-inch IPS screen delivers crisp 1080-pixel HD images, and the 8 adjustable LED lights ensure visibility in even the darkest corners. You can zoom in up to 8x for detailed analysis without losing clarity. Thanks to its IP67 waterproof rating, this tool is built to handle tough environments. A powerful 4,500 mAh battery offers up to 6 hours of continuous use, keeping you productive longer. The 4.9-foot semi-rigid cable is flexible yet sturdy, ideal for both delicate and demanding tasks. With a 32 GB TF card included, you can capture and save every inspection with confidence. Quickly find hard-to-spot vehicle leaks with the Sealey Leak Detector Smoke Diagnostic tool. It produces up to 8 liters of smoke per minute, helping you easily trace faults in vacuum, evap, air intake, or exhaust systems. With simple one-button operation and automatic shutoff, it's both safe and user-friendly. The tool connects directly to a 12-volt battery and uses mineral oil to generate dense, visible smoke. It comes with a 1,650mm hose, blanking cone, hose adapter, and a handy filling bottle for immediate use. The kit includes adapters for various hose sizes, from 5mm to 84mm, making it very versatile. Built-in safety features protect against overheating, keeping the process worry-free. At just 1.56 kilograms, this compact unit is easy to carry and perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Make aircraft tire changes safer and easier with the Bogert Aviation Tire Bead Breaker. This tool is specially designed to separate the tire bead from the wheel rim without damaging delicate cast wheels. It works with both tube and tubeless tires and handles a variety of sizes, from small tail wheels to larger corporate aircraft tires. Built from heavy-duty materials, it offers durability that lasts through countless uses. The simple design makes operation smooth and requires less effort, even for tight beads. Its lightweight and compact frame makes it easy to use both in the hangar and out in the field. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a hands-on pilot, this tool streamlines maintenance. It's a smart investment for safe, efficient tire servicing. How do you remove small dents from a car without damaging the paint? The Power-TEC 92676 Dent Puller Kit offers a smart paintless solution using a 34-piece hand-operated setup. It includes adjustable pull plates with 30 degrees of movement, helping you reach and repair dents on doors, bonnets, and wings with ease. The kit comes with 28 assorted glue pads to match different dent shapes and sizes. A built-in hole straightener helps fix panel edges for a smoother finish. It's compatible with a hot melt glue gun for quick application and secure adhesion. After repairs, use the recommended glue remover to clean the surface without leaving marks. This system lets you restore your vehicle's look while keeping the original paint untouched. It's ideal for both professional body shops and home garage enthusiasts. Polish truck wheels quickly and safely with Aussie Rimshine's professional-grade machines. Choose between the electric-powered Gen 3 or the gas-powered Outback 200, both built for on-vehicle use. The Gen 3 runs on a quiet 3-horsepower electric motor and is perfect for shop environments with easy power access. The Outback 200 features a powerful 6.5-horsepower gas engine, making it ideal for mobile or remote locations. Both machines handle wheels from 17.5 to 24.5 inches, including super singles and various profiles. Pro kits include everything you need: polishing fleece, lambs, wool tails, valve tools, and more. With on-vehicle polishing, there's no need to remove wheels, saving time and reducing labor. Whether in the shop or on the go, Aussie Rimshine delivers pro-level results with speed and safety. Keep your tools powered, organized, and ready to go with the Matco MSC 5 Power Toolbox. This heavy-duty rolling tool cart is built for professional technicians who need both storage and charging in one place. Its standout feature is the vertical power drawer, which securely holds and charges up to 6 cordless tools at once. That means less downtime and more efficiency right at your fingertips. The MSC 5 features multiple drawers and compartments, offering ample space for all your gear. Made from tough workshop-grade materials, it's built to handle demanding environments. Smooth rolling casters make it easy to move around the shop without hassle. Whether you're on a tight schedule or managing multiple jobs, this toolbox helps you stay organized and productive. Simplify your air supply needs with the Schneider Air Systems Realmaster REM 160 8WOF. This compact, oil-free air compressor is wall-mountable and perfect for inflating, cleaning, or even light painting tasks. With a 1.1 kilowatt motor and a maximum pressure of 8 bars, it delivers a strong airflow at 160 liters per minute. The built-in 10-meter hose reel and 90-degree swivel bracket offer excellent reach and flexibility. It operates at a quiet 68 dBA, making it ideal for both home garages and professional workshops. Its plug-and-play design includes a convenient start-stop button and a blowgun accessory for immediate use. Weighing just 8.5 kilograms, it's easy to mount and won't take up floor space. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this air system delivers power and convenience in one sleek unit. Keep your garage or workshop clean while powder coating with the Eastwood Hot Coat Benchtop Powder Coating Spray Booth Kit. This compact setup captures over 99% of powder overspray using a pleated fiberglass filter and tack spray system. It transforms a standard 20-inch box fan into a high-efficiency coating booth, perfect for DIY or small shop use. Built from durable 18-gauge steel, the booth includes folding side doors and hang rods, letting you coat several parts at once. The kit comes complete with brackets, hinges, tabs, and rivets for easy assembly. It's designed to save space and reduce mess without sacrificing quality. You'll get clean, professional-looking results without needing a large industrial setup. If you want to take powder coating seriously at home, this booth is a smart choice. Make tire changes faster and easier with the Powerbuilt Billy Club Universal Lug Wrench, Gen 3. This innovative tool combines the leverage of an L-shaped wrench with the speed of a 4-way wrench, thanks to its patented sliding socket drive head. The 22-inch length provides up to 70% more torque, making it easier to break loose, stubborn lug nuts. It includes 2 double-ended sockets and a 3-inch extension bar, all of which store conveniently in the handles. The universal design fits both SAE and metric lug nuts, covering sizes from 11/16 inch to 7/8 inch and 17 millimeters to 22 millimeters. Constructed from durable steel, this wrench is built to last and meets ANSI and ASME standards. The Sealey CLM 2250 portable car lift is designed for both workshops and home garages. This unit combines strong lifting power with easy mobility. Each strut weighs under 40 kilograms and includes wheels, so you can move and store the lift with minimal effort. It features simple up and down controls with a long lead, letting you operate it safely from a distance. The dual locking bars offer secure positioning at 2 heights, giving you peace of mind while working underneath. With just 75 millimeters of clearance, it's perfect for low-profile sports and custom vehicles. It lifts up to 2,250 kilograms, with a max height of 445 millimeters, powered by a dependable 750-watt motor. Whether you're detailing or doing repairs, this lift helps you work faster and smarter. Keep your vehicle safely elevated during repairs with the Ranger RJS 3-ton jack stands. These heavy-duty stands are built from welded steel and support up to 6,000 pounds per pair, making them ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs. The ratchet and pin locking system holds firm under pressure, giving you confidence while working underneath. With an adjustable height range from 11.5 to 17 inches, you can set the lift to match your specific task. A wide base measuring 7 by 7.5 inches ensures solid stability and reduces the risk of tipping. Each pair weighs just 22 pounds, making them easy to move and store when not in use. A tool tray seems simple, but Tool Pro took it up a notch with one clever upgrade. No fancy tech or complex design, just the power of magnets. These trays securely hold nuts, bolts, and screws in place, even when turned upside down. Thanks to the strong magnetic base, your parts stay exactly where you left them. Despite the low walls, nothing rolls away or gets lost. And when you're done, just stick the tray to a metal cabinet or toolbox for easy storage. Smart, reliable, and built to make every job easier. Achieve perfect torque every time with the Kinchrome range of precision torque wrenches. Designed for automotive, industrial, and mechanical use, these tools deliver accurate tightening across a wide torque spectrum. The range includes micrometer, click type, and digital models, with analog versions offering plus or minus 4% accuracy, and digital models as precise as plus or minus 2%. Each wrench features a dual-scale display in Newton meters and foot-pounds, along with a durable nickel chrome-plated body and reversible ratchet head. A click mechanism gives a clear signal when the correct torque is reached, preventing over-tightening. Popular models like the MTW 150F and K8502 offer torque ranges up to 340 Newton meters, making them ideal for engine work, suspension, and wheel nuts. Every wrench comes in a protective blow-molded case for safe storage. Whether you're in a professional workshop or a home garage, Kinchrome has a torque wrench to match your task. Protect and enhance your garage with the Armor All Premium Garage Floor Mat. This heavy-duty mat features a dual-layer design, a top layer made from recycled polyester fiber that absorbs oil and liquids, and a slip-resistant waterproof bottom layer to prevent leaks and protect your floor. Its carpet-like texture adds comfort and a polished look to your space. Installation is straightforward with the included double-sided tape, and the mat can be easily cut to fit your specific area without fraying. Cleaning is simple, just vacuum, hose off, or power wash as needed. Made in the USA from over 50% recycled fibers, this mat is an eco-friendly choice for any garage, workshop, or basement. The Carbench UL300 is a professional-grade collision repair system built for serious auto body work. Its compact yet powerful design makes it ideal for both small shops and high-volume repair centers. The vertical lifting platform adjusts from 110 mm to 1700 mm, allowing easy access to vehicles of different heights. A 360-degree rotating pulling tower delivers up to 60 kN of pulling force, tackling tough structural damage with ease. Built from high-strength steel, the UL300 is made to withstand heavy use while staying reliable. The adjustable clamps and fixtures let you quickly secure any frame, streamlining your workflow. With a 3,500 kilograms load capacity and CE certification, it's safe, durable, and ready for demanding jobs. This lift runs on 220-volt power and fits perfectly in any modern repair facility. Illuminate your workspace with the ScanGrip Nova Mini, a compact yet powerful LED floodlight delivering up to 1,000 lumens. Its ultra-slim design fits comfortably in your hand or pocket, making it perfect for professionals on the move. The patented Smart Grip 4-in-1 system offers versatile use: ergonomic hand grip, belt clip, magnetic mount, and stand. Adjust brightness seamlessly from 10% to 100% with the stepless dimmer, and monitor battery levels via the built-in indicator. With an IP65 rating and IK07 impact resistance, it's built to withstand tough environments. That's all for today, friends. Which garage invention impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing inventions and technologies. See you soon.